Magkano kaya ang kikitain namin? We are door dashing to fund our
Wedding. It's $5.30.
or $3.20 for 1 mile. Have a good one. $6.20 total will be higher. Naging $6.70 na siya. $8.70.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
And then I think you need a
Kung
Coke.
magtatanong, no, taga Arizona kami. Ang gasolina namin dito, $3 per gallon lang. Tapos wala kaming traffic dito. Marami rin kaming parking spaces. Kasi iba yung mga nagko-comment, usually mga taga California, taga New York. Sa inyo kasi, mas mataas din yung minimum wage. Pero yung gasolina, $6-7, ganun. Dito wala kaming traffic, tsaka, ayun, kita nyo maluwag. Ayan, ito yung $6.70, high paying na siya for 2 miles. $5.20 for 1 mile. Drop natin siya rito sa Home Depot. Like $10.30 for 2.5 miles. $6.20 total will be higher. So that became $15.20, $12.30.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You as well. Got it? Okay. $5. $18.90.
Sama mali.
There you go. What's the pin?
5.
Happy 4th. $7.95. Meron tayong $116.65. Papagas din tayo para malaman natin kung magkano. Okay guys, naka $14 tayo sa gas. Guys, tapos na tayo. Gutom na kami.